Class 9th Science, Matter, Nature and Behavior, second part. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your second part will be start. Now let us start your. So what is the Tyndall effect? So Tyndall effect, when we take a colloidal solution and a light beam is passing through the colloidal solution, so there is a path of light beam is visible in the colloidal solution, and that is called as Tyndall effect. So you can see, and there is the definition: the particles of a colloidal easily scattered a light beam to show the path of the light rays. This effect is known as Tyndall effect. The effect was discovered by scientist John Tyndall. So you can write the name this one also. So it is important for you. Now what is the Brownian moment? So you can see here, it is the Brownian moment when the colloidal particles seen by the microscope. So its motion is zigzag motion, like this one here, one here, is that is the zigzag motion. It is called as zigzag motion, and that zigzag motion is called as Brownian motion. So you can see here, let us see. In a colloidal, the solvent particle exert an unbalanced force on the solid particle. This causes the solid particles in the colloidal to move in a zigzag manner. These events were studied by Robert Brown in 1827, and such zigzag motion of particle is called Brownian motion after his name. So you can learn this one also. Now come to the identify solution, suspension and colloidal from the among given mixture. So you can write here solution and suspension and colloidal from this one. So first one you can write the solution, and second one is suspension, and third one is colloids. So first one is salt dissolved in water. So that is the solution. It is salt dissolved in water. It is a solution. Or mud in water, that is the suspension. Mud in water. So you can write here mud in water. Milk in water, that is the colloidal solution. Milk in water, it is the colloidal solution. Now second one, which among the following mixture will show Tyndall effect? Sugar in water, ink in water, starch solution and salt solution. Which shows the Tyndall effect? Tyndall effect shows the mixture and suspension both. So colloidal and suspension both, this to the show the suspension and colloidal. So it is show the Tyndall effect. So you can write here substance. So first one is sugar in water, it is not showing. Ink in water, so you can say ink in water. Second one is starch solution, it is also showing. And salt solution, it is a pure solution, it cannot be showing. So this one is not showing this one. Sugar in water, it is also a pure solution. So there is only two things, this one. Now come to the 20 gram of washing soda were dissolved in 1 kg of water. Find the concentration of solution in terms of mass percent. So you have a formula, mass of solute. Mass of solute, it is given as 250 gram and dissolved in 100 kg of water. So mass of solvent, it is 1 kg. So you can write it is 1000 gram. Find the concentration. So you can find the first mass of solution. So what happened mass of solution? So it is first solute and plus solvent. Mass of solute and mass of solvent. Solute is 250 gram and solvent is 1000 grams, so it becomes 1250 gram. So mass percent, do you know the formula? Mass percent is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. So you can put the value. Here is mass of solute, you can see here it is 250 and it is 1250 gram and into 100. So what will be happen? 0 cancel with 0 and 5 5 ja and 5 2 ja 10 and 5 5 ja 25 and 25 2 ja. So 2 into 10, so it becomes 20%. So that is the answer of your question. Now come to this one. When we added 2 drop of rice water Pasya in 100 ml water, what do we get? A colloidal or a suspension? Explain with reason. So that is the answer. You can write in your copy. Solution of Pasya in water is an example of colloidal because its particles are smaller than the particle of suspension. Suspension particle से इसके particle छोटे होते हैं, यानी they are very small to the suspension particle. So it is which one? It is colloidal solution. Therefore, it's appeared to be homogeneous through it, but it is also heterogeneous because it is not seen by naked eyes. It can be seen by the microscope. The particle of this solution can be separated by applying the centrifugal force. We can separate these particles by the centrifugal force. So that is the which solution? Colloidal solution. You can now come to the next one, that is the what are the type of pure substance. Pure substance can be classified either elements, compound, or on the basis of their chemical composition. So element you can define the it is the definition. You know that elements are the those substance that cannot be further broken into is simpler substance. मतलब इनको और simpler substance में नहीं breakup कर सकते. That's why it is a element. By using chemical methods, chemical method भी use करके नहीं कर सकते हैं. But chemical method, that is the heating, lighting, electricity, or the reactions which other the chemical substances. Hydrogen is an element. Simply sodium is an element, iron is element, copper is element, and also so many elements are there. Lead, carbon. Can you add more names? You can list like this. It is hydrogen, it is element, helium is element, neon element, carbon, lead. These are the elements. So you can put sulfur, phosphorus, and these are the elements. So you can write so many names are there. Nitrogen and phosphorus, that is the oxygen. So many other elements are there. You can write also. Now the property of the elements. The number of elements known as to pair to more than 100 of these 92 are naturally occurring. The remaining are man-made. हमारे पास लगभग 100 के पास है, लेकिन 92 जो है नेचुरली हैं, अब नेचुरली हैं, बट और जो बनाए हैं आर्टिफिशियल हैं. दे आर मोस्ट ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स आर सॉलिड. जो मोस्ट हैं वो सॉलिड्स हैं अधिकतर. 2 एलिमेंट्स मरकरी एंड ब्रोमीन, these are the liquids at the room temperature. Always remember, बहुत important question है ये. It is very important question. 2 elements mercury and bromine are liquid at room temperature. The elements gallium and cesium becomes liquid at a temperature slightly above room temperature. रूम टेम्परेचर से थोड़ा सा ही ज़्यादा करने पर ये भी आपके फॉर्म में होते हैं, लिक्विड की फॉर्म में आ जाते हैं. विच वन? गैलियम एंड द सीजियम. 11 एलिमेंट्स आर गैसेस एट रूम टेम्परेचर. 11 एलिमेंट्स हैं जो गैसियस फॉर्म में रहते हैं एट रूम टेम्परेचर. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस वन. नाउ कम टू द कंपाउंड. व्हाट इज द कंपाउंड्स? It is the combination of 2 or more than 2 elements. So they are mainly substance around us that are formed by chemical reaction between 2 or more elements in a fixed portion. You can remember this one is the most important word. It is fixed portion. These substances are called compounds. The property of the compound formed after the chemical reaction is different from its constituent elements. It is also then different. It is different of. For example, water. Water is a compound and which is formed by reaction between the inflammable gas hydrogen and oxygen. So this one is formed with the help of this hydrogen and oxygen gas which needs to combustion, but water is neither combustible nor does it helps to combustion. So in this fact you can put out. So what is the happen? This one H2 plus O2 whenever they combine, so they form water H2O. It is hydrogen, it is oxygen, and it is water. And whenever they electrolyte, it is electrolytes, electrolysis. So it forms H2 and O2. It is at cathode and at anode. So you can see how this electrolysis can be done in the apparatus. So apparatus is shown in front. So you can see here it is the hydrogen and it is the oxygen. So there is though two test tubes are here seeing and two electrodes are seeing here, carbon electrodes, and one is negative and one is positive. So one is negative, that is called as cathode. This one is cathode and this one is anode. When applying electric current with the help of battery, so water is decomposing. So water, this one, it's decomposing H2 and O2. So two parts of hydrogen you can see here. So it is the just double of oxygen. You can see here it is oxygen. This one is oxygen and this one is hydrogen. And you can see here it is the just double of this one. So the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is, always remember, it is 2:1. So it is the compound, not an element. Now come to the next. What is the common salt elements, compounds or mixture? So common salt is a compound. You can write here common salt is a compound. And the formula of common salt, that is the NaCl. When sodium ions and chloride ions combine together, they form sodium chloride. So it forms sodium. It can not be separated by any method except evaporation. We can, if we dissolve into water, then it is separated by the evaporation. But sodium and chlorine cannot be separated by any method of this. So that is the compound. Now choose the option in your this first question. Homogeneous mixture. So it is the bronze. You can write the bronze. It is homogeneous mixture. Now come to the heterogeneous mixture. Pure water. Concrete is the heterogeneous mixture. That is the concrete. Now oxygen is an element, compound, heterogeneous mixture, homogeneous, that is the element. Now sugar is, it is a compound. Now which one of the following is shows the Tyndall effect? Solution of salt in water, it is pure solution. Starch solution, it is a colloidal solution. Solution of baking soda in water, it cannot be so. Vinegar is also not so. Now which of the following is not a pure substance? Which one is not pure substance? Milk is not a pure substance. So you can write in your copy this one. All the questions you can write in your copy. Now come to the fill in the blanks. An element has same type of particle. So you can write here same. Now the scattering of light by colloidal particles is called, that is the Tyndall effect. So you can write here Tyndall effect. This one, it is given here. Now in tincture iodine solution, iodine is the solute. The particle in a can be separated by filtration using filter paper. it is suspension. Now particles in a cannot be seen with the naked eye. Solution or suspension, it is solution. So you can write all this question. You can see here, through an activity demonstrate the sugar dissolution in water is a solution. How can form the solution? Since solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances, a transparent procedure. A teaspoon of sugar is dissolved in a glass of water. ये ग्लास ऑफ वाटर ले रखा है, इसमें हमने क्या करा, एक स्पून जो है शुगर डिसॉल्व कर दिया बाय स्टीयरिंग दिस रॉड से हम इसको स्टीयरिंग हिला रहे हैं विद अ स्पून. शुगर डिजोल्व इन द एंड डज नॉट सेटल एट द बॉटम. शुगर कंप्लीटली डिजोल्व हो जाती है, नीचे बॉटम पे नहीं बैठती है. द सोल्यूशन ऑफ ग्लास इज कंप्लीटली ट्रांसपेरेंट. और ये सोल्यूशन जो बन जाता है ट्रांसपेरेंट मतलब आर पार दिखना चालू हो जाता है. ऑन हीटिंग इट द वाटर फॉर्म्स वेपर एंड द इवेपोरेट द शुगर इज लेफ्ट in the container. This prove that a solution of sugar is in water. So that is the जब इसको हीट अप करेंगे तो वाटर इवेपोरेट हो जाएगा, केवल शुगर इसमें बचा रह जाएगा. So it can be prove this one and that is the demonstration for the solution. Now come to the next fifth question. Explain the following with example. Pure substance, saturated solution, colloidal and suspension. What is the pure substance? On the basis of chemical composition, elements or compounds both are known as pure substance. Element and compound, remember always element and compounds both are the pure substance. That means elements, such substance which are made up of same type of elements, that is the sodium. First one is copper, hydrogen and potassium, sulfur. You can write so many things, helium, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, so many elements are there. Compounds, such substances which are formed by the chemically combination of two or more elements. You can see here two or more elements. It is the most important word. In a definite ratio, that is also important. Definite ratio, like pure water and common salt, that is NaCl. Saturated solution, such solution in which no more amount of solutes. It is no more amount of solute can be dissolved. If pure quantity of the solute is dissolved, then instead of dissolving or remaining in the form of suspension particle, if it is filtered in this situation, the solution obtained in a saturation solution. It is the answer colloidal. In a colloidal mixture, size of particle is larger than the solution and the smaller than the suspension. So it is lie between the suspension and the pure solution. So it is, remember always, these particles can neither be visible by naked eye nor they settle down, but can be separated by applying the centrifugal force. So it can be separated by centrifugal force. Their particle shows Tyndall effect, it can be show Tyndall effect and the Brownian motion also. Both type of motion show. So for example, it is milk, aqua solution of ink, both are the colloidal solution. Now come to this one is suspension. Size of their solute particle is larger than that of the solution and the colloidals are the visible by naked eyes. Particles settle down bottom. It can be settled down bottom, at bottom याद रखना है इसको आपको. And it is a heterogeneous mixture. It can be seen by a naked eyes. For example, muddy water, mixture of chalk and powder and water. So that one is example. How will you differentiate between the homogeneous and heterogeneous? Homogeneous, both solvent and solute particles are same in size, and heterogeneous they are differ. So you can say meaning of homogeneous, that word is homogeneous, that means it is the equally, that its constituents are uniformly distributed among the component in each parts of the mixture is uniform. Example, in the solution amount of solute is uniformly distributed in the solvent. Solution obtained on dissolving sugar in water is the homogeneous mixture. It is the example. Now come to the heterogeneous mixture is which constitute substance are not uniformly. इसमें uniformly नहीं रहते हैं, इसमें uniform रहते हैं, ध्यान रखना. and distributed are this डेंसिटी डिफर इन द डिफरेंट पोजिशन heterogeneous, ये डिफरेंट रहती है, ध्यान रखना डेंसिटी इनकी डिफरेंट रहती है. फॉर एग्जांपल डर्टी वाटर और मडी वाटर और वाटर कंटेनिंग chalk powder also. So these are the answer. Now come to the last. Write the difference between the solution, colloidal and suspension. Now these are the difference. So first one, you can write the first point. It is an homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. It is transparent. So ध्यान रखना है, ये transparent रहता है. In this, it is heterogeneous mixture. It is opaque. That means transparent नहीं रहता है. It is also heterogeneous mixture and it is opaque. Its particle. So it is your second point. This one is, and that is the third point. Its particles cannot be scattered light. This one it shows. It doesn't show the Tyndall effect. Now its particle is scattered the light, that means it is shows the Tyndall effect, and its particles are so big that they stop the, thus half portion of the becomes dark. So total dark हो जाता है इसमें. Its particle, that is the fourth part, its particles are not visible by naked eyes and particles do not settle down. Its particles are also not visible by naked eyes, but we can see with the help of microscope. These also do not settle down but get separated by rotating, so it can be separated. Now its particles are visible by naked eye and these particles are settled down due to gravity. Now fourth, this one is, it is your fifth and it is your sixth. Their particles do not exhibit Brownian motion और Tyndall effect. ये बिल्कुल भी Tyndall effect और Brownian motion को शो नहीं करता है. Their particle exhibit Brownian motion as well as Tyndall effect also. Their particle do not exhibit these properties. इसको property को बिल्कुल भी शो नहीं करता है. So आपका लेसन समाप्त हो गया है. आप लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर सारे अपने कॉपी में कंप्लीट कर लेंगे और यदि कोई क्वेश्चन छोटा है तो उसको ओमिट कर दीजिएगा. एक ही क्वेश्चन छोटा है उसमें से, बाकी सब मैंने करवा दिए हैं और कॉपी में कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. जैसे ही स्कूल खोलेंगे वैसे ही मैं कॉपी चेक करूंगा. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, नीचे लाल का बटन ये दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा करके सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, जिससे मैं नई वीडियो जैसी डालूँ आप लोगों को तुरंत मिलेगी. अब वीडियो डालने का समय थोड़ा अलग अलग कर दिया गया है, रोज़ तो डाला नहीं जा सकता और पढ़ाई रोज़ नहीं हो सकती है, इसलिए इसको सब्सक्राइब कर रखें. जैसे मैं आप लोगों का वीडियो डालूंगा आप अपने वीडियो को तुरंत वॉच आउट कर लें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों को फ़ायदा हो सके. Thank you. Have a nice day. I am R.S. Prasad, sir. Today, stop.